Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing a little bit different, but it's still makeup related, and it's actually testing magnetic eyelashes. I know these have been around for quite a while now and there's quite a few videos trying them out, but I was asked by BelleChloe if I would like to try their new magnetic eyelashes. So of course I said yes, because I am not the best at putting on eyelashes anyway, so maybe magnetic ones might be easier, or I don't know. But anyway, their actual brand is called Wakeup Makeup, and this is the box it came in. Inside is the other little box, and also some eyelash holder things, tweezers, I don't really know what you call them, but so, and it comes in another little box that says Wake Up and Makeup Good Morning. And then inside this, on the back it also tells you how to apply them, which is really good because I am not entirely sure what I am doing. So I'll have to read those in a second. And then inside is this, which is actually plastic, so that is really good for keeping the eyelashes in. You don't have to worry about them getting crushed, especially if you put them in your bag or anything. This is the inside. Those are the lashes, and these are the top, and there is also bottom lashes, and this has also got a mirror inside, as you can see there. So this would be really good if you're traveling and you particularly like putting the lashes on, as you've got a mirror so you can do it wherever you are, which I think is a really good idea. And I think this case in particular is a really good idea as well. So the lashes I got are the double demi wispies, and I particularly like these because on the picture on their website they looked quite fluttery and like you'd be able to see them. I mean, I only have quite small eyes, but I normally wear quite wispy lashes anyway. So let's go read the back now of how to actually put these on. Oh, it also comes with like a little piece of paper there which shows you how to do it, and also with the applicator as well. So we're going to have a go at putting these on, so I'm going to zoom you in a bit so you can see what I'm doing and what mess I'm going to get in, because that will happen. So I'm just going to take these out of the box. I'm going to do my right eye first. This is what they look like. They just feel like normal eyelashes. I'm going to try. Apparently, I've been trying to read this on the thing, so this is the top, I'm guessing. Ooh. It's quite a strong magnet though, to be honest. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but it's quite strong. Alright, I get it now. No, I've read it. They're not actually for your bottom lashes. These are the ones that actually stick underneath the top lash. So that's like the second layer, if that makes sense. I'm going to stick, it says you have to stick them onto the little applicator and then put that onto your eye and squish it together, and hopefully it will stick. So we're going to go with that. Right, so this is the lashes all attached. As you can see, the top row is on one side and the bottom's on the other. It's not that easy to get onto this, but I'm hoping with a bit more practice, maybe it will be. Here goes. Let me move a bit nearer, because I need my mirror as well. So apparently you just put it on your eye and squish it together and it sticks. But that didn't work. Alright, so for me it isn't working using that, so I'm going to try and do it without using anything. I don't know how this is going to work. Like I said, I'm really not very good at eyelashes anyway. It's really hard to get on. It doesn't help that I have such short eyes as well, that like they just don't go where they're supposed to. So these are the lashes on. As you can see, they are quite big. It's quite hard to get them in place on the little applicator, as they all have to be in line with the other magnets for both sides. But once you sort of mastered that, it's not that hard. But yeah, I quite like how they look. They are quite big, so for me they would only be a night out one. And obviously I haven't got any bottom mascara on or any liner or anything like that. But I think they actually look quite good. I quite like them when they're on. And like I've already said, I think this little box is so good just for keeping them in. As like when you get normal eyelashes, you sort of have to try and stick them back in that little U-shape thing, or just put them somewhere and I lose them. So that is a really good idea to have them in the box. The lashes themselves are actually really good quality. They don't feel really plastic or anything like that. They just look like normal wispy lashes, which is really good. I also have a 10% off discount code, which is LauraW10, and you can use that to get 10% off your order. And also there's a special discount, so if you buy 2 you get 1 free, and the code for that is LauraW2F1. I will leave both of these on the screen and also in the down bar below, so you can use that if you wish. I'll also leave a link to BelleChloe's website, and in particular these lashes which I have on. There are also 2 other types of lashes as well, depending on which ones you prefer. I do particularly like these wispy ones, and I think they'll be perfect for a night out. So I hope you like this little review and also application of the lashes. I know I couldn't really show you me actually getting them onto my face, but it took me a few attempts, but once you've mastered it, you've got it. And I found doing my second eye a lot easier than doing the first one, because I already knew sort of how to do it. So I will leave all my discount codes and also links to the website in the down bar below, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye!